In my heart, there's a special place for the simple, natural remedies that have been passed down through generations. Today, I want to share one of my favorites with you. A warm, comforting drink made with chia seeds, lemon, and a touch of cinnamon. It's a little glass of wellness that's as gentle as it is powerful. This drink is a wonderful friend to your digestion, thanks to the fiber in the chia seeds. It can help you feel full and satisfied, which is a blessing if you're watching your weight. It's also packed with good things that support your heart and bones, and it can even help keep your blood sugar in a happy place. Making it is as easy as a gentle morning stretch. Just soak a spoonful of chia seeds in a glass of warm water for about 15 minutes. You'll see them create a lovely, soft gel. Then squeeze in the juice of half a lemon and add a little sprinkle of cinnamon. Give it a stir and it's ready to be enjoyed. I find the best time to have this drink is in the morning, before breakfast, to gently awaken your body. A little word of care, my dears. If you're new to chia seeds, it's wise to start with a small amount. And if you have any health concerns, it's always best to have a little chat with your doctor. Thank you for sharing this quiet moment with me. If you'd like to hear more of these simple truths, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, Natural Remedies and Wisdom Talk by Sami.